Good morning, students. Today we are starting our new session by our textbook that is called Flamingo. As you have studied in your last class, 11th class, there was even the syllabus change and there was a book Hornbill. You have studied about it, and that was the foundation of this book, which will help you for your oriented development in English language as well as in literature too. Now I'll clear you some new things about your book Flamingo as well as that Hornbill which you have studied in your last class. So that book is totally based on literature. First of all, I would like to clear you what is literature, English literature. English literature, it is we can say it is the foundation, and we can say main thing for those students who wants to achieve greater development in English language. Literature is divided into 4 parts: prose, poetry, drama, and fiction. And in repeating that, prose, poetry, drama, fiction, these 4 things, when these 4 things are being contributed, then it become in the purity of literature, in the harmony of a great literature, which can make you, we can say, superficial in front of the ordinary students as well as your, can say, daily studious life. Now I am going to explain first of all about your book, that Flamingo. As you will see, you can say there are 2 parts in our content. In your book's content, there are 2 parts: prose and poetry. So as I have explained, as I have told you about this, that there are 4 varieties of literature: prose, poetry, drama, and fiction. So prose and poetry are given here in your Flamingo book, prose and poetry. प्रोस क्या होता है? प्रोस इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं गद्य. एंड देन पोएट्री, जैसे कि आप लोग जानते हैं, पोएम्स यानी कि कविताएं. एंड देन थर्ड पॉइंट ऑफ द लिटरेचर इज आवर ड्रामा, दैट मीन्स एकांकी और प्ले और नाटक इन हिंदी. देन फिक्शन यानी कि कल्पना. व्हाट इज फिक्शन? Fiction, these are the stories totally based on that imaginary things that as you have seen in your movies or TV channels, there was an exclamatory that all the characters and stories are based on fictitious manner. That means के सारे इस प्रोग्राम के सारे पात्र और घटनाएं काल्पनिक हैं. That is called fiction. So these 4 important parts are there in our English language as in English literature, and that our book is a basis on these things like prose and poetry. Now I will explain. There are 8 prose chapters in your contents, and 6 are there in poetry section. Now what are prose? Now I will explain what kind of chapters have been given in your text, in your literate book. Now we will start from the beginning. This textbook, this our Flamingo textbook for class 12 class course has been developed on the basis of the recommendations made in the National Curriculum Framework 2005. ये जो पुस्तक हमारे सामने आज प्रस्तुत की जा रही है, 2005 में हमारे जो NCERT और जितनी भी हमारी शैक्षणिक संस्थाएं थी उनके द्वारा पारित की गई, उनके द्वारा पूरी तरीके से हम कहना चाहिए जिसको 100% अक्षुत माना गया हमारे उच्च अध्ययन के लिए. वहां से इसको हमारे MP बोर्ड में लाया गया और फिर सिर्फ इसी इट इज लॉन्च्ड बाय दिस ईयर ओनली. अब ये कैसे? इट फॉलोज द डिजाइन of the class 11th textbook Hornbill published in 2006. Now you will understand that Hornbill, which you have studied last year, it was published later in 2006, and Flamingo was published in 2005. Now we will go ahead. Then the prose selections. Now prose selection, our first part of our content, prose selections, यानी कि इसमें गद्यांश का जो संग्रह है वो क्यों है? It aims to provide exposure to the wide variety of genres and themes, जिससे कि आप प्रोज गद्य की अलग अलग विधाओं को सीख सकें, अलग अलग वेराइटीज को अपने अंदर डेवलप कर सकें, और जिससे आप अपने सोचने की इमेजिनेशन की क्षमता को बढ़ा सकें, बहुत सुंदर से सुंदर लिख सकें और उनको पढ़ सकें, अपने नॉलेज को इंक्रीज कर सकें. एंड देन इन राइटिंग फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, यहाँ तक कि न केवल जोनर और हमारी थीम्स को लेकर बल्कि इन राइटिंग स्किल्स ऑल्सो इट विल हेल्प यू दैट वोकैबुलरी विल इम्प्रूव, योर हैंड राइटिंग विल इम्प्रूव, एंड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग व्हिच इज रिलेटेड टू द लैंग्वेज एज वेल एज लिटरेचर इट विल इम्प्रूव बाय दीज थिंग्स. एंड देन they take into account the interest of young adults while making them aware of the socio-political issues that they will confront as they step into the world outside school. These are words such as so and political. Now you will understand that how will prose help you in your future life. That literature part of the literature prose. It is being taught you because you will have to be practical in your social and political life. यानी कि आप आने वाले जीवन में केवल किताबी ज्ञान से बाहर निकलें और व्यवहारिक ज्ञान पर विशेष ध्यान दें, सामाजिक और राजनीतिक जीवन में राजनीतिक तरीके से अपने अपने लाइफ को जो है डेवलप कर सकें। अब हम देखेंगे यहाँ पर किस तरीके से चैप्टर्स को डिवाइड किया गया है अपने इस कंटेंट्स में, इस हमारे पूरे फ्लामिंगो बुक में। देखेंगे 3 शॉर्ट स्टोरीज हैव बीन गिवन हियर। इस हमारे कंटेंट में 3 जो है शॉर्ट स्टोरीज दी हुई है। जैसे कि फर्स्ट शॉर्ट स्टोरी द लास्ट लेसन। Last lesson is your first chapter of your cross section as well as your Flamingo textbook. The last lesson. It is written by Alphonse Daudet. Alphonse Daudet, you are the French novelist as well as short story writer. ये फ्रांस के एक उपन्यासकार और लघु कथाओं को लिखने वाले और फ्रीलांस जर्नलिस्ट के रूप में काम करने वाले व्यक्ति थे। In 1870 to 71, when French and Persian War was there, at that time he started to write about this lesson, the last lesson. No, we will continue. We will go deep in this lesson when we will study the chapter. Now I am going ahead. It is our first short story. Then second one. Second short story in our content book is that the rat trap. Rat trap. You will see chapter number 4. The rat trap. It is written by Selma Langelof. Though it will help you in our future-oriented things also. I will clear it when our chapters will be started. And then third short story is Going Places. Going Places, which is by A.R. Barton. These 3 stories have been given. 3 short stories have been given here in your content in a prose style to make you perfect in literate as well as language or your linguistic, you can say, criteria of your body language as well as your literate field. Then about after the 3 stories, there are 2 non-fiction places, biography and autobiographies too in this section, in your next section. And these biographies or non-biographies are The Lost Spring as well as Indigo. Indigo is Indigo is an excerpt from Liv Fresher's life of the Mahatma Gandhi portraits. ये महात्मा गांधी के जीवन से प्रभावित और जो उनके बारे में लिखा गया है, इनके द्वारा लिखा गया है, लुइस के द्वारा। अब देखें ये 2 और हमारे पास में बायोग्राफीज है। नाउ वी विल गो अबाउट ऑटोबायोग्राफीज विलियम डगलस, अ लॉयर, एक लॉयर थे विलियम डगलस, उनके ऑटोबायोग्राफी के बारे में हमारे इस सेक्शन में है, इस हमारे बुक के अंदर है। एंड देन एक और हमारे थे अशोकामित्रन, जिनकी ऑटोबायोग्राफी भी यहाँ पर प्रस्तुत की गई है। These 2 autobiographies are represented here in this book. Now next is you can say it is our prose section is going on. Then next one is the interviews. Introduction from the book of the interviews. Interviews क्या है? Interviews इसके बारे में आपको बताऊंगा। It's written by Christopher and then it is a prose unique style by two famous prose writers. They are named interviews. 2 writers are Christopher Sylvester and an interview with Amrita Echo. These two things. So students, it is our prose section of the Flamingo book. That is very very helpful. अब आप लोग सोच रहे हैं why I have taught such things? Because just chapter learning or study reading chapters, it's not a basic thing in your Flamingo book. That is why not that our syllabus is changed. The syllabus is changed because government tries to make you perfect in literate field as well as linguistic field as well as your overall personality development, which can be developed with the help of these prose, poetry, drama, fiction as well as grammar as well as writing skill also. So it is our prose section. I hope you will understand this. So try to read about this, about our textbook and this prose section contents. If you are having any doubts, you may contact me on my number. Thank you, students. That was our prose section. Now I am going to the next section, poetry. तो जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, इन दिस content of our Flamingo book, there are two varieties of literature, prose and poetry. Now we are moving on to poetry. In poetry, there are 6 poems have been given. Like my mother, that is story 66. Kamla Das. Kamla Das is very, you can say, one of the greatest writers in English literature from India. And then after that, an elementary school by Stephen Splendor, and then Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda, and A Thing and a Beauty by John Keats. John Keats, one of the, you can say, finest writers as well. John Keats was the youngest, you can say, he was the latest to come in a literary field and youngest to pass away. ये सबसे युवा थे जिन्होंने साहित्य की दुनिया में जो आए, इन्होंने अपना योगदान दिया और सबसे पहले उन व्यक्तियों में से थे जो इस दुनिया को छोड़ करके चले गए. Only 21 or 22 years age he was passed away. And then Roadside Stand by Robert Frost. Robert Frost is an American writer, American laureate he was. American laureate, जैसे in India there is a award that Bharat Ratna. In America, American laureate was the biggest award in the literary field as well as the linguistic field. तो अमेरिकन लॉरेट का इनको पुरस्कार मिला था, एज वेल एज पुलिट्जर प्राइज आल्सो ही हैज वॉन. 4 times he has won the Pulitzer Prize. Pulitzer Prize जो कि लिटरेचर की दुनिया में सबसे बड़े प्राइजेस में से एक हुआ करता है. एंड देन Aunt Jennifer Tigers, and this is written by Andy Rich. So these 6 poems have been given here. So in our today's class, I have explained you about the basic things of the literature, that prose, poetry, drama, and fiction. Only two have been given here in our content in our Flamingo book, prose and poetry. So you'll have to try a lot to study about such things, because in general language, general English, you have studied since your we can say earlier classes. From the beginning, you have studied you can say schooling was started. You started to study English language, but these things are we can say in deepest in language as well as you can say literary field of English language. I hope you will try to understand these things. So we can say, I can say that you must try to get such things, that in that book or that literature will create an impact and will make you a different student in front of others. I hope you will understand these things. If you are having any kind of doubt related to such things, you may contact me anytime. So now I am going to explain you about the first lesson in our book. Not explaining fully chapters, because I hope you all have book, you have all studied a little bit about it. So the last lesson, it was Alphonse Daudet. I will give you assignment type test. Like by this video in the climax time, I am giving you about the last lesson. Difficult meanings you have to find from this lesson. If you will find something new, you can say there are many word meanings there which will help you to make you a different person in English language. Like there are 6 word meanings only given in here, but in this whole lesson you will find more and more. That will increase your vocabulary, that will increase your stature in language too. So the last lesson, as I have told you, it is written by Alfonso Daudet, who was a French writer, novelist, French short story writer. He has explained here the French-Prussian war time situation, and at that time what was the importance of the French, as well as in his schooling, in his presence in his class. So you can say he has explained his autobiographical mode, this lesson. I hope you will understand this. So please try to focus on this. Try to find difficult meanings, new things. Not that ordinary things we have studied, chapter I have given you, question answers you have studied to learn this in such kind of way. Don't waste your time there. Just use your time to make you perfect, increase your knowledge in literate field. Thank you.